Here we will explore true facts about the wood turtle. Long ago, a fallen log grew legs and a head and became the wood turtle. What? That doesn't make any sense. Who did this research? Jerry? Well, someone may have told you that, but at least do some Googling before you write it down. Alright, we'll keep going, but this is the last time. Wood turtles are sometimes called old red legs because they have red legs, and they look like a wrinkly old man. Wood turtles spend more time on land than any other Ontario turtle species. Here we see a wood turtle eating one of its favorite foods, which are mushrooms, or as Jerry likes to call them, research. This may also explain the incredibly large black pupils. Here we see two wood turtles making babies. Despite the relative lack of romance, a third turtle is trying to get in on the action. Ooh, kinky. Mind if I join? Oh is that a camera? Wood turtle bebes are called woodies by me, and now by you. These little lumps of weapons-grade cuteness are endangered because people like to keep them as pets. As such, the locations of wood turtle populations are closely guarded secrets, because people are assholes. Like most reptiles, wood turtles are ectotherms, which means that they get their body temperature from the outside, rather than from the inside like a mammal. On the upside, they don't need to eat, drink, or even breathe as much as a mammal of the same size. On the downside, when it's cold out, they can't do jack shit. Imagine that you are in your house, doing all the things you love to do like napping, pooping, playing video games, and boning Jerry's wife. Now imagine that every few hours you need to cuddle up to the radiator or you will freeze to death. That is how the wood turtle do. Wood turtles need to bask in warm spaces to warm up, or seek shade or water to cool off. The places where they can do this are scattered across the landscape of their territory. This creates what scientists are now calling a thermal landscape. And just like the clubs and street meat stands that you can barely remember from last night, the wood turtle must navigate between these hot and cold features to maintain a comfortable body temperature. Here we see a handsome Laurentian University scientist. He is studying wood turtles, or would be if he would get off his Oh, there he goes. Studying wood turtles to see if the thermal landscape is more important to their behavior than the physical landscape. This could have important implications for our understanding of ecology and our conservation efforts towards endangered species. Just remember, if you're ever too hot or too cold, just think like a wood turtle. It won't help you in the slightest, you smelly mammal, but at least you'll be thinking about turtles. Here we see a box turtle named Nugget. At one end of his terrarium it is hot, and at the other end it is cooler. He generally spends his days shuffling back and forth, or not. He occasionally moves for a light snack, or to give me the stink eye, or to poop in his water dish. You go, little man. Keep being awesome.